Well, hi everybody, and good Wednesday morning to meteorologist Travis Kleneski here. A cold start to our morning, but over the past couple of hours, temperatures have actually started to rise already. We're on our way to some nicer weather today. A lot of high-level cloudiness out there this morning and throughout the day, so I'm going to call it partly sunny. These aren't going to be overly thick clouds. At times, it could even be mostly sunny out there, but overall, I think we average partly sunny skies. A wide range in temperatures today, and if you're west of that trough out west, you're going to see more of a westerly direction to the wind. And that means you're really going to warm up today. Most of us, though, will still see a better day than yesterday. The wind's a little breezy, but not as bad as what we saw yesterday. Overnight tonight, lighter winds, mostly clearing skies, I should say, and a cold front stays to our north, so that keeps the cold air bottled up to the north. And tomorrow, all that warm air spreads eastward. A gorgeous Thursday on the way, widespread 60s expected, maybe even a few 70s out towards the west. It won't be that breezy, lots of sunshine. We're going to warm it up again on Friday, but a big transition day is coming in Friday as a cold front comes through, and I'll talk a little bit more about that here in just a little bit. But for today, again, a wide range in temperatures, even up north. Low 50s in Central City and Albion, low 60s for Ainsworth and Broken Bow. Wind's not too bad out there, 5 to 15 miles per hour, partly sunny skies. Out west, these are the warmest temperatures, upper 50s to upper 60s, partly to mostly sunny skies. Looking pretty good out there for today. Low to mid 50s around the Tri-Cities. Could see upper 50s in Holdridge and Phillipsburg, Kansas. And the chilliest conditions out towards the east, mid to upper 40s this afternoon. Those folks are starting off in the mid-teens this morning. It also will be quite breezy. Some of the strongest winds will likely be in the east today. As for the next 7 days, tomorrow, fantastic. Not as cold to start. We're well into the 60s. Records for tomorrow are in potential. Especially Grand Island. The record in Grand Island is 66 degrees. I think we should break that or be awfully close, at least tying it, I think. Now, Hastings is 70 and Kearney 72. That will be a little tougher to break records there, but wouldn't completely rule it out, especially in Hastings. But I think Grand Island's the most likely area to see a record potentially broken or tied. Thursday night, Friday morning, if you are heading out doing some shopping, it looks great for this time of the year. 40s and 50s overnight. That's some good weather for Black Friday shoppers. If you've ever done it before, you know that because it's usually really cold for those folks out there. Now, Friday is the transition day. We'll see a quick warm-up in the morning and then a big change in the afternoon. A cold front is going to come through sometime during the morning hours. Once that comes through, our winds are going to crank up. So I think in the afternoon, we're going to see strong north-northwest winds. We're talking winds 20, 30, 35 miles per hour, gusts 40 to 45 miles per hour, and temperatures will likely drop during the afternoon hours. So don't be deceived. We'll see 60s, maybe even a few 70s to the south, but it'll be much cooler later in the day compared to earlier in the day. But despite that, no precipitation expected, a few extra clouds. The weekend looking good, not a lot of cold air behind that front. We're still looking at highs well into the 50s on Saturday, lower 60s Sunday, well into the 60s, maybe even near 70 on Monday. Another cold front, a dry cold front, but another one comes through on Monday night. That one will bring some extra clouds around for Tuesday. Another day of strong winds on Tuesday and colder conditions settling back in. And I talked about Friday a bit. That, of course, includes game day. Huskers have their final game of the season against the Hawkeyes there in Lincoln. A quick warm-up for those tailgaters in the morning. Winds will start to pick up later in the morning and into the afternoon as we get closer to game time, and it'll be quite windy for the game, especially in the first half of the game. So don't dress in shorts and t-shirts because there will be a big change throughout the game as those temperatures will likely drop pretty good during the game, and those winds will be fairly strong, although die back a little bit towards the end of the game. So, yeah, not the most ideal conditions, especially when you're throwing in that wind out there. So there you go. There is your forecast. Again, things looking great today and really, really great as we get into your Thanksgiving Thursday. I'll be back tomorrow. We will be working on Thanksgiving. So until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Kleneski. Hope you all have a great Wednesday, and God bless.